gold right there. Okay, and then I think it's, oh, I did get some on his nose. Poor little guy. See that underneath? Right under here. Wiping his nose. Oh, brother. Okay, let me look here. I know I need a little bit of blush or something on his face. And I could put something on that side. This is going to be the main side over here. Let me see what I have fun to play with that's left. I could just put some of these down here on the board. Or I could put them on the cake. What do I have left? How about my chain? Like something like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. It's a little messy because you have to make sure you get all the sides. You can certainly wait for it to dry. I just don't have that kind of time, you know? So a lot of them are the cakes, they just have like stuff on top of stuff. Stuff on top of stuff. Okay, I don't really have anything over here, but that would be okay. I think what I'm going to do is just put a little cluster down here. Maybe I'll use this chain. Okay, I think it is done except for the ribbon. Big old D for done. So let me just clean my hands and we'll get the ribbon done. I am just going to hot glue this. This ribbon's a little, it's not quite as wide as I want it, so I'm going to wrap it around twice. So I'm going to start at the bottom in the back and just come all the way around. And this is just a brown ribbon. You can certainly do a sparkly one, but I kind of like the brown to kind of just bring it down kind of. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and bring it on up. Oh, I forgot the blush on the face. We can do that. All right, so it just needs a little bit of color on the cheeks and on the lips. So this is a baby pink. Oh, that's not showing up at all. Let me see what else I have. Okay, this is the darkest one I have. So let me get a little over here and then I might wet the brush for the lips. I can see it on that cheek. Can't see it too much on this other one here. Okay, now for the fun. I'm just going to take some dry ice. Woo! You never want to touch dry ice because it'll do that to your hands. It's not going to steam a lot, but it'll be enough. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Dry ice time. Yeah. All right, so just remember that you can do whatever you want. Anything goes. It's just gears, pipes, all sorts of things. Again, remember, decorate the mold, or is it decorate the cake molds That's where I got most of the molds, and then Ruth Ricky and a couple of mine. So the only thing you have to watch out for is see where the water spots here once the dry ice goes in there, but you won't be doing that till you get to the party anyway. So have a great time.